that?
Yeah. Push it out. Push it. Put it in there. Hey, well done. Look at us. What are we going to do today, Theo?
Test drive the new Model Y again.
Again? Why are we doing it again?
Got a really nice car and tell you all of the other difference of the normal of the Model Y that
Yeah.
came up before.
Where are we going to go to first?
I don't know.
Okay. This is probably the best road to go
Right.
on. So, Mummy, what do you think of this?
It's beautiful.
Beautiful, like me.
Today, oh Jesus
Not
Christ.
that.
Wait, I need to do it again. My friend got caught on it.
Theo.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are test driving the Model Y again because it's really good and smooth to drive. Like,
And we didn't have enough footage last time, did we?
yep.
So, here we are again, a week later, on a half an hour drive. And we're here to convince your mum she needs a Tesla as well.
Yep.
Yeah.
To get the Model 3.
Model 3 performance, definitely. And we're going to head along this 40 mile an hour road here, test out how it drives on quite a smooth road like this, and it's very, very quiet, isn't it?
Yep.
Maybe look at things like the trunk, look at things and see how different it is from the older now Model Y, which we have.
Like the normal one.
Yeah.
Maybe everybody maybe has. Not everybody.
Well, yeah, everyone, because no one's got this one yet, as of right now.
Well, you can pre-order it.
You can pre-order it as of this point, yeah. But hopefully by the time you watch this, people are driving it.
Yep. Still has opened the door.
Yeah.
The new Model Y.
We're test
available.
driving. We're doing the Autopilot right now.
Yeah, this car obviously comes with enhanced autopilot. It's a launch edition.
It says Autopilot order.
Still way behind in the UK, but you know, it's still fun, isn't it?
Yep.
And if you film the screen there, you'll be able to see controls. We've got it set up on I have to say the new steering wheel is a lot nicer as well.
Yeah.
Feels it less spongier than our one. Maybe that's just ours.
We might make. How much videos will we make on the Cybertruck again?
Oh, bit of phantom braking there, Tesla, as you can see. Or didn't know what to do with a roundabout coming up. Fair enough. So we've just taken that off. Auto steer. And back to me in control. This road's a 50. It gives you a chance to test acceleration a little bit. What do you think?
Good.
Make sure don't go too fast. 50 is the limit. Squeeze.
Hi guys. Back in another video.
Yeah, on a country road.
Yep, and it's a bumpy one, but it feels a lot more smoother. The suspension's definitely a bit more firmer, I'll say. Don't know what it feels like in the back, mind you, but
It's got a wee screen that you can watch YouTube,
Yeah.
Netflix,
right down the
Disney,
middle.
for tutorials. Alright,
Yeah.
what you can do in Tesla that you don't know.
One of the things that's different as well is in the middle here. Obviously still got your two wireless phone chargers down here. You've got your middle compartment, which is obviously the big deep pocket for keeping things out of sight. You've You've got your cup holders, which are hidden behind the button now in there, and your under the arm storage as well. What's down your side?
So we've got a new thing. It's, you can open the door, I think, from there because it's the same as that. It's a bigger compartment than the Model Y that we have.
Compare, yeah.
That when you open the door, it's a bit better because you've got 2 buttons. If you don't know.
Ah. Oh no. And I'm going to have to go backwards. Let's test the reverse out. Straight. Just a bit of mud. Car's not liking that, but all good. Thanks. Back in the drive we go.
Does it not have the indicator on the right side to use to get into drive and reverse?
No.
You've got to do it on the screen?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I think it's okay. Not a lot of people don't like it.
Yeah, I think I'd find that a bit confusing, to be honest.
And the Model 3 doesn't have it in new ones as well. It doesn't have this indicator stop, but they brought this back, which is fine, isn't it?
I think maybe they should have had both
I've been
options.
here in a long time.
No.
Remember I went down there.
Let's go right round. All the way
Yeah.
round. And we'll do some outside filming, will we?
Right.
About here.
Some people like watching. And let's open the front. So I forgot how to open it, but I know.
Yes. But there's a button in the car to press, that's why. We haven't done that yet. So why don't we go around the back first of all? Okay? And let's zoom out. Mum is hidden by the tinted window in there because she doesn't want to be on camera. And you can see it, look, you see
So
it.
we have the performance, you can tell. It's a new one. And there's like
That's a camera.
button underneath there.
Yep. But how cool does the light bar look at the back? Obviously it's not totally dark. It's only about 7 p.m. End of April time.
Because in the Model 3, it's black and white, but in this one, it's white, black and red and yellow, as you can see right there.
Cool. Anything else you like about it? Completely different at the back.
You need to open the front.
Yeah, we'll need to do that from here though. Okay, so on our test drive, I don't think we can open the front. It doesn't seem to let us
But
do
we
it.
open
So let's do
the back.
the trap. Let's see how quickly it does it. Go. You find the button first of all.
Right. The button.
I'm guessing it's right under the S for Tesla. In the Tesla even. Go. Oh, there's a strange person in the car. Didn't come with that with the test drive.
It comes with.
Nice new parcel shelf at the back, which is
Comes
now.
with.
Yeah, we've got one of them. Just put that back. That's fine. It's just your emergency kit.
And then you've got
Your
some,
charger cables. But what's it like underneath? See? What's it like under there?
some storage.
And then
If
charger.
You'll have some space over here.
Yep,
Put some under here.
that's fine.
That's good for you.
All right, we all good? Do you think you can reach up there to close it? I don't think so.
You can.
Oh, very good. Very similar storage size to the current, existing Model Y, the new one. And we're going to go back in.
So guys, it might do that, it might not, but the screen, we need it turned off,
Okay.
because then this is something cool.
What?
If you have the screen that is full, when it's full black, it will do something.
You need to be a
Really
bit more
cool.
specific about that. Okay.
It will do the performance sign right here on all the.
Oh, I get you. It didn't do it there, I know. It didn't do it there.
The screen needs to be full.
Cool.
So we need a door, not this door closed.
Yep, do that. Close it.
right. Come on, live. Let's do the driver's bit.
Maybe this side.
This is how you open it. So you push this down and then do that. And then you, as you can see.
There we go. That's what I was
will
wanting
do
to show you. Ah, very cool.
And then there's things that you can do with it.
Uh-huh.
So it's bigger here. Like,
Bigger button to open the door, yeah.
and then there's the other button.
Yeah.
And then there's, you can look, like that, and you press it up. I'll do.
Very nice, isn't it? You do know you're too young to drive, you know?
You know, I'm good.
There's no full
It
self-driving
says
yet here, remember?
As you can see, the steering wheel is a lot bigger, and it's got the Tesla sign in the middle.
Yep. You can
And
Tesla
it's
logo,
got
yep.
voice there, voice stuff on it to do.
Nice alloys, very nice. I'd trade in for a darker ones myself personally.
And so guys, this is
Okay.
Dad's
let's go.
review.
Okay, we're going to do this in less than 2 minutes. This is what I think of it. Nice, decent sized alloys, very nice. I like the nice little Tesla logo in there, in the trim. Different mirrors, obviously from before. Very nicely styled and coming out a little bit, sticking out a bit there. Obviously, you have the nice daytime running light, which has now went off because we've been in park for quite some time. And there's your new headlight switch down here. It's quite amazing how they've got them just down there, obviously, but that's sticks out very nicely. The back, obviously quite standard charging. The big bit for me is this new
Like that.
rear here, with the light bar and so forth, which has also went off.
And you can see Mum is on the back.
Absolutely. I can't complain, as we have a current Model Y at the moment. A lot of the inside for me is very similar. And you're filming fresh air here.
And bye guys, see you in the next video.
Very windy, but this is our final thoughts on the test drive of the Model Y.
I think it's a 10 out of 10. It's
Uh-huh.
a very nice car in colour, and the front bit is very cool.
I think it's very cool, front bit.
Lights.
Yeah, definitely. If you have a Model Y, should you upgrade it?
Yes. Or you don't need to.
If you don't need to, if you don't want to. And the cool light bar at the back is the bit that likes me. I am a bit of a geek with that, but it looks so smart at the back. And last thoughts before I get blown away?
Love it.
Uh-huh.
I want to test
Okay, I think that's
drive it. Way better than
okay, that's
and then
great.
the screen like that.
Uh-huh.
At the back.
Uh-huh. In there. Yep. Car needs to get clean though. So overall, yes.
Yes.
New Model Y is a success.
1 8 out of 10.
Okay, let's go and hand it back and go back to our regular Model Y.
Yeah.
See you in the next video.